Dan John is the godfather of modern-day strength and conditioning. His workouts and training methods have helped everyone from high school athletes to sedentary senior citizens become stronger and lead better, healthier lives. Ed Coan is widely considered to be the greatest powerlifter of all time. In a career that spanned multiple decades and weight classes, Ed set over 70 world records and became the lightest person to achieve a 2,400-pound powerlifting total. Tracy Cook is a USA powerlifting referee, meet director, and current 3-time back-to-back national champion. After starting her lifting career later in life, Tracy quickly established herself as a top strength athlete and coach. And I am stoked to announce that Dan, Ed, and Tracy are our featured presenters at Lift-A-Palooza 2025, happening January 24th through the 26th here in Nashville, Tennessee. Now in its 6th year, Lift-A-Palooza is a weekend-long strength event where you get to learn from the world's best coaches in a fun and casual environment. And here's a look at what's in store when you sign up. Dan John is teaching the art and science of kettlebell training by leading you through his most iconic workouts, including the humane burpee, the armor building complex, and his signature mobility sequences. Ed Coan is leading a deep dive workshop on the barbell squat, bench press, and deadlift. No matter if you're a barbell newbie or a veteran powerlifter, Ed is here to help you refine your technique to get as strong as you possibly can. Tracy Cook is presenting her acclaimed talk on the mental side of training. The 5 keys to a championship mindset are a set of tools that any lifter can use to transform their relationship with training, competing, and living a balanced and healthy lifestyle. And be sure to join us on Friday for a barbecue pre-party at the gym where you can get in a little workout and dinner with the presenters and your fellow attendees. Lift-A-Palooza was designed to rival other training seminars that cost well over $1,000 to attend for a fraction of the price. So click the link below or scroll down this page to learn more, and we cannot wait to see you in January. And in the meantime, and in the words of Dan John, let's all keep lifting and learning. We'll see you there.